Once again, welcome to our English class. In previous class, we have discussed on learning in normal school. So his parents decided to send him normal school. Initially, he did not accept that, but later he accustomed that and he went regularly. So one day, what happened at the age of 8? He wanted to kill himself because of insulting of his friends. So immediately he came to his mother and he discussed with his mother, mother, I want to kill myself. So that was the first his attempt and his depression. It is the reason of depression. That para's explanation. Next para, I felt cold and bitter. He blamed the God. Why God had made me like this. So I did not bear with the society. I did not mingle with the society. All my friends and my peer group are insulting me. So he felt that and he expressed his sorrowness in front of his mother. Next para. At the age of 10, in bath at 10 years. So he decided to commit suicide by drowning in the bathtub. But luckily his attempt was not succeed. The reason of his attempting, he said in this para, I felt there was no purpose when you lack purpose and strength. So he decided there is no purpose to my birth. So what is the use of sustaining? What is the use of my sustaining? So he decided to, in that issue, he decided to commit suicide. But luckily his attempt was failed. Okay, this is about this paragraph. Next paragraph. When I was 13, I read a newspaper article. So when he was 13, he read a newspaper article about a disabled person. So by reading that article, he realized that disabled person had done great things. How he achieved, he read. So he inspired from that article and he immediately changed his opinion. After that, he did not depress. He did not want to bear. Just he felt no, there is the purpose to my birth. So God had made me in a purpose. So I have to fulfill that purpose. I don't want to make any attempts. So I must live. I must live and I give inspiration to others. So immediately he decided and his mental status completely changed. Now he is completely positive personality. So completely that article changed him. So this is about that paragraph. Next, I decided to be thankful for what I do have, not get angry about what I don't. So he said one beautiful thing. He decided to be thankful what he had. What he had, only he had food and left him. So there was nothing in his body, just torso is there. So only one food. He decided to do miracles. So giving message to us, don't feel anything. What do you have? Please try with them. What don't you have? Don't think about that. So whatever you have, just concentrate on those. For example, you may sing very well. Just concentrate on singing. For example, you can speak very well. Just concentrate on speaking. So in further days you will become a good speaker and good singer. So we never feel whatever we don't have, just we concentrate whatever we have. So he expressed his views and he said by his experience completely now he is the positive personality. So he removed all his negative thoughts. Next, I looked at myself in the mirror and said, you know what, the world is right that I have no arms or legs, but they will never take away the beauty of my eyes. Again, once again he he has said beautiful words. What did he say? Once he has looked in the mirror, and he said himself, the world, the society may know what parts I don't have, but they may not know, they don't know uh, what I have. He said like that. So society and people surrounding, they don't know what qualities have in my mind. What can I do? They don't know. Just they are giving me, they are describing me, they are defining me. What is my external things? What I have externally, but internally, how much I have the power in my mind? They don't. So I have to concentrate on them, and I have to build up my personality. So he said like that in that paragraph. Next paragraph. The challenges in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. So, the challenges in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. How much you face troubles, how much you face obstacles, hurdles, that much you have to be benefited, that much you have to be strengthened, that much you have to be perfect. So he's saying his opinion in this paragraph. Okay, next paragraph. So once he decided to take training in surfing. So he went to meet Bethany Hamilton. He went Hawaii to meet Bethany Hamilton in 2008. So who was Bethany Hamilton? She was the victim of shark fish. She was the surfer. She was a surfer when she was surfing. One day she has bitten by shark, and she lost her hand, one hand. So, but she did not lose her courage, and she continued surfing. So our Nick went to her, and he asked her to give training in surfing. She immediately accepted, and Nick joined in that. He took good training, and now he can surf very well. And immediately his image was on the cover of Surfer magazine. So that was the greatness of the teacher. He has visited different countries all over the world. So later on, he became a motivational speaker. He visited lots of the countries all over the world. He gave speeches, so many speeches. He inspired a lot of people. He became very happy in that job. Nearly he has travelled 24 countries, and he has spoken nearly 11,000 people. Next paragraph, he said, if I fail, I try again and again and again. If you fail, are you going to try again? In the next paragraph, he asked you directly. He is asking you. So if I fail, I tried again and again. What about you? So are you doing? Are you practicing? Are you trying again and again? We must try again and again. If we fail once, we shouldn't stop. What is the message from his life story? From his story, we have to try again and again. We never stop. So he has given a good message with his life. Whenever he go, he says one thing. I tell people to keep on getting up when they fall, and to always love themselves, he said. So first, if you love yourself, definitely you can do anything, and then only other persons will love you, other persons will respect you. First, what is the thing? We have to respect ourselves. So with that motivation speeches, if at least one person motivated, he became very happy. He said, so this is about the Nick Vujicic, who doesn't have legs and arms. With this, we have completed the life story of Nick. So just read it again and again. Pick out the main points, which are useful to our life and our examination purpose. Okay, we will meet in the next class. See you. Bye.